Hi friends, I am Jayan, faculty electronics. Today I am giving you a lesson. First my lesson in English for out of India and India who knows English. So I am showing today for a new peoples means who is new in electronics or electricals. Today, they must know some knowledge of electric. So I am today giving you some knowledge of electrical, AC and DC. First, I am giving the knowledge of electric. matlab means AC. What is AC? AC means alternate current, which we are using in our home. So what how AC is working and connecting any that I am showing now first. Then another something in electronics and any other knowledge I will give in second lesson. So you see now this is a plug. Here we are getting 220 voltage. The means the tester is showing the current, means this is phase, and another one that is neutral. Okay, this is earthing. Okay, we want to only two wires are here. We want to use uh, two wires, and you can use any plug in anything. Yeah, yeah, bulb. This is a holder, okay, which we are applying to this. We are giving two volts, and bulb will glow, no? Bulb will glow, no? So that is called AC current. We are applied in this plug. We got 220 voltage. Okay. Now, how can wire wiring for one switch and one plug like this? You can learn. Okay. This is the wiring of two things. One is plug and one is switch. I I wired this connection to the switch, and two wires are here. That wire will go to the electric. So you can on and off with this switch. Okay, on and off. This is the plug. The current will come through switch in this plug. Okay, that is that is all today in this my lesson. Okay, you understand, no? Second lesson I will come with DC voltage. First you must know about the current. Okay, this is 220 voltage in India. I don't know. I think in America is 110 voltage in this plug. Okay, bye.